Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: admin rights and a restore point. Once ready, start by right-clicking the taskbar. This immediately exposes the search control. You choose Hide or Turn Search Off. This removes the visible bar quickly. Make sure to verify whether your system shows a magnifying glass icon or a full box. The exact option differs by Windows build. If it vanishes, you've completed the basic removal and can pause to confirm the change before deeper edits. If the taskbar option didn't fully remove search, use Group Policy or Registry Edits. You open gpedit, MSC, and navigate to Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow Search. Then disable search features such as Cortana or Integrated Search. Once done, if Group Policy isn't available, open Regedit, export the search key first. Then change search box taskbar mode to 0 and Bing search enabled to 0 to stop web integration. Make sure to save and close tools before restarting Explorer so changes apply clean. Once edits are complete, restart Windows Explorer or reboot to finalize removal. You'll see the taskbar update immediately. Then confirm the search interface is absent and test open/search shortcuts to ensure no residual behavior. If something breaks, restore the exported registry file or undo Group Policy changes right away. This returns settings instantly. If restoration fails, boot into safe mode and perform a system restore to the earlier point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.